Good morning. It's early. Today we are going paddleboarding at Lake Merwin in southern Washington, and it's a mystical place. You kind of park on the side of the road, and then you walk down to this magically, gorgeously beautiful river, and we're gonna go paddleboard. It's mid-July, so the weather is fantastic, and that's about it. So we'll take you along for the journey. That's it. We're good.
Let's go. Safety gear.
Okay. That's something that we do. Alright, we're good to go. Morgo, say hi. The swallows are just swimming right by the water. There you go. We just noticed that there's an osprey nest right at the top of this bridge. It's so beautiful, and there's like 2 or 3 ospreys flying above. With I don't know if the key is.
Can you see it?
Yeah. Yeah, big fish.
Okay. We're keeping this one. Buddy. This is a keeper. Put it under. Get it all the way under. Don't knock its face. Get it all the way under. Under. Yeah, we did it! Woo!
Woo!
Now go.
Jump off the spring. Oh, good. Thank you. just got some iced coffees and we're heading back. But that is all. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, see you later.